Guys, how's it going out there? Rooster here in Tennessee, roostercb.com. And this is a power supply that a friend of mine built. He put a lot of TLC into it. It was initially sold, but when I sent the customer a picture of his shipping label, he told me that was not his shipping address and that he had wanted it shipped to a P.O. box. So number one, I'm not shipping this thing to a P.O. box because the post office rates are extremely expensive for heavy items. And number two, if you give me the wrong address twice, you're probably going to get your money back. So I was able to stop the shipment on this thing and get it back. So I'm going to list it up on the website. Again, no PO box. It's heavy. Shipping this thing to the post office where it might cost $40 or $35 through UPS, be like a $75, $85 deal through the postal service. But I'll turn it on for you here. He made it mainly as like just a really good test supply. It's got a million different hookups on it, as you guys can see. I mean, you can. There's so many terminals on this thing, guys. He tried to think of like every possible way you might hook something up. Now the drawback is it's only at 13.4 volts, but for testing purposes, that's not really bad. It's got 5 25 amp Meanwell power supplies in it. So it doesn't have like cheap switchers or anything like that. It actually has high quality power supplies in it. Again, you got all these jacks over here. He's got a quick disconnect, heavy duty Anderson cable if you want to do like a amplifier test on it. He's got the other quick disconnect for like, running a smaller one or testing radios on that use quick disconnects. We'll take a peek at the back of it here. You got two more big lugs back here on the back, some small terminals there. So yeah, I mean, it's interesting looking because it's got so much stuff on it. I told him it looked like Frankenstein's monster or something there. So, but it's functionality wise pretty cool. Got an analog meter and a digital meter on it. So it is heavy. I mean, this is not a little baby light power supply, even though it has switchers in it. It's a pretty heavy supply. He also provided me an adapter, which some of you guys may use or not use, because he put like an extra heavy duty 110 plug on it that doesn't plug into like a standard outlet. So you'll get the adapter with it for free if you want to do that. So I'll list this one up on the website, guys, roostercb.com, under used equipment specials. And like I said, I'm trying to be a jerk or anything, but when you have to provide your address twice and you give me the wrong address both times and then tell me you want it shipped to a P.O. box, doesn't really give me the best feeling about what's going on. I mean, some people use the P.O. box thing to try to scam people sometimes. So I don't know if that's what that guy was doing. I have no idea. But all I know is this thing is back up for sale. Doesn't bother me a bit to give somebody their money back. I will not hesitate whatsoever in situations like that just to click the refund button and go about my business, because I'm sure somebody else out there can definitely use this power supply. But that's it. I think he said on his outlet it showed like 13.5. So depending on your line voltage and stuff, it may show 13.5, 13.6. Hell, it may show 13.3 for all I know. But here it's showing about 13.4. All right, guys, appreciate it. Rooster in Tennessee, roostercb.com. I'll take some pictures of this one and get it listed up. Thanks, everybody. See you. Bye.